They are giving him a Foxbody.
The thing that's really important to us is the Foxbody community.
Imagine back to when you were 14. See, I brought the muscle out for you today, Matt.
Yeah. Matt and I have decided to give you this car as your first Foxbody, for real.
Whoa. Hello and welcome to Gearhead 704. I'm Matt, and today, guys, we have something very, very special. I've never done this before. I've been a part of this. I'm back out here at Fox Mustang Restoration, so you probably recognize some of this if you're a longtime viewer of the channel. But today what we are doing is we have somebody coming here. He's actually a fellow YouTuber, a young kid. His name is Kevin. He runs the channel Kevin Builds, and he's all into Fox bodies. I think he's only 14 years old, and Fox bodies are his passion. I know that he has been trying to save up for a Fox body for a couple years, do some odd jobs. And anyway, today Matt and Jen here at FMR, they own Fox Mustang Restoration. They are giving him a Fox body. Now, it needs a lot of work, but he has no idea. He has no idea this is happening. We're gonna surprise him today, and you probably saw that by the thumbnail and title. And I'm just so excited to be a part of this. I can't wait to see, what his kind of reaction is, but also just the fact that they are giving back to the Foxbody community. They are just giving him this car for him to work on. I think is amazing. It's just so cool, and I get to be a part of it. So yeah, what we're doing right now, the car is actually over there. We're getting it set up. We're gonna have him, quote, fix something on the car, right? Now here's the car right here. They call this car Sparkle Fox. Jen has a name for all the cars here, so this one happened to be Sparkle Fox. But it's a convertible. I don't even know what year it is, guys, but obviously it doesn't have factory rims and it needs some work. It's definitely not a perfect car. It's gonna be a project car, which is what Kevin wanted, I believe. Watch his channel and he has a lot of videos about getting parts and wanting to do work on the car. So what we're gonna do, I talked about a ruse, kind of. We're basically gonna have him do some work on the car and then reveal that the car is his. So that's the game plan. That's what we're in here for, guys. But I do want to get Jen on here real quick. Let me go get her and let her kind of explain the whole idea behind this. But you guys can see I'm just really excited about this today. So guys, I've got Jen here, co-owner, Fox Mustang Restoration. Welcome back to the channel, Jen. And you're standing beside, I actually told them the name of this car. The name of this car is Sparkle Fox. That's what I told them, Sparkle Fox.
Yeah.
I guess let's start with that. You're giving this car to Kevin, but he might have a different name for it, maybe.
Yeah, absolutely. So this was a car that we bought a couple of years ago. It sat here for like a year. Last year, early spring, I decided that I didn't have a Fox body that I drove. So I decided we hadn't done anything with this car. It'd been here for a year, and I was like, you know what? I was like, this is gonna be my car. Called it Sparkle Fox, and to me, the word sparkle as a verb, your truest self comes out, your authentic self.
Almost right? Like you shine type. Yeah, cool.
So that's what, this was going to be my expression of what I wanted a Fox body to be, right?
And you had some big plans for it, I believe.
I did, yeah. Then a few months later, Peaches came along.
Right over there, guys. Peaches has been on the channel a lot before, so I think what Jen's saying is she fell in love again.
Yes, I totally crushed so hard on Peaches. Once we got her in good driving condition, then I was just like, I can't let go of Peaches. So it's Peaches. So then we were like, okay, what are we gonna do with Sparkle Fox? We met Kevin. I know he came to Foxtoberfest. I didn't see him that day, but he did a video. He started a YouTube channel all about Fox bodies. He's really passionate. We've been watching his channel. We're really inspired by what he's doing. We're really excited as a 14-year-old that, he's obviously a self-starter. He's motivated. He wants to learn everything. He doesn't want, he doesn't want anybody to do it for him. He wants to learn everything there is to know, which is super exciting to see in a kid that age.
Yeah, I'm also excited about that because I'm exactly the same way as Kevin. I just happen to be 40, so he's way ahead of me, which is good. It's exciting to see.
Yeah, absolutely. Matt and I have known each other for a very long time. When Matt was 14, he had that too. He worked 3 jobs to buy his first car on his own. The first thing he had to to do was change the transmission in it with no help from anyone. Like that was the very first thing that he learned.
Wow.
I guess he rebuilt it. But anyway, so we kind of see, you know, Matt in him a little. I do anyway. Just seeing what you want and trying to go after it. And you know, Kevin's been on the hunt for a Foxbody. If you watch his channel,
a while,
right? He has like the truck and that his mom gave him. So his parents support this also. Obviously, we talked to them today. I mean, before today to make sure they're
right. Yeah, just so everybody knows, they're not giving the car without talking to the mom and dad first. So
yeah. So we feel like this is a good starter car for Kevin. An LX Convertible is a great starter car for Kevin and a good project for him. There's definitely a lot for him to do on this, a lot to learn. So we're excited to see that progress on the channel and watch where he goes with it. So, and thinking about Matt when he was 14 and thinking about if someone would have given him a car like this to start with, that would have given him a huge jump start. We're excited to do that for Kevin and give him a jump start. It's going to propel him so much more quickly into where he wants to go. That's connected to Foxbodies, and so that we're excited about that.
Yeah, that's so cool. That's what I love about these cars is I feel like they always bring out passion in people. Yeah. And again, just to see that in a kid as young as Kevin, that he doesn't, I've talked to his mom. He says he's not really focused on video games. You know, he's focused on, he loves Foxbody. It's his passion.
Yeah.
And so you guys are obviously, you know, Fox Mustang Restoration, you're all about Foxbodies.
Yeah.
So you connected with someone that has a passion for this and you're going to be able to give to him and help him out. I think that's awesome. I'm so excited about that.
Yeah, the thing that's really important to us is the Foxbody community, and we feel like this is fostering an important part of the Foxbody community. The up-and-comers, the ones that, you know, are just new getting into it, that's really exciting for us to see, you know, new people and especially young people. That really means a lot to us.
All right, well, I'm really excited. I totally agree, and it's going to be interesting. We'll see how we're going to surprise him.
Oh my God,
see how this plays out.
Wait to see his
face. Yeah. You guys get to see that, you know, skip ahead. We got to wait still and figure all this out, but it's gonna be fun. I did notice there's already some modifications on this car. We've got the Cobra R rims. We've got what looks like to be an SN95 interior. I'm pretty sure that that's what this is, SN95. White face gauges. It is an automatic. One of the modifications that I know a lot of people don't like is it does have Euro tail lights. And they've got like the Mercedes-Benz symbol. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it looks like Mercedes-Benz inside the tail lights. This is obviously not stock, this pony. Like I said, it's a vert, but it is a V8. I mean, imagine back to when you were 14. For those of you that are older like me, if you were given a Foxbody at the time. I mean, that would be pretty sick. Obviously, we got a different style hood here. I don't even know what hood style this is. You guys will know in the comments. Let me know down below. And then we've got the Cobra grill insert. Now it does need a little TLC. You can see actually the insert's broke right there. But yeah, it's already got some aftermarket parts, which is cool. I believe Kevin wants to modify his car, but we'll see. You get to watch all this on his channel. Definitely check out his channel if you're not already. I'll have it down in the description below and I'll go ahead and put it up on the screen. But guys, I can't contain my excitement. So anyway, we're gonna go ahead and set up. Kevin should be getting here soon. And again, he thinks he's just gonna be hanging out doing stuff with me on the car today. He's not realizing that Matt and Jen are actually gonna give him this car. I'm so excited. And just like that, guys, I got Kevin Builds here from YouTube.
What's up,
How's
guys?
it going, Kevin? Good to see you. Yeah, so Kevin, I think what we're gonna do is do a little work on the cars today, but we do have a project today I'd like your help on. And maybe SSP if we have time, but there's another car here. It's over there. That's a convertible that Matt is working on. You know, sometimes he restores the cars, right? And then he sells them.
Yeah.
So that's one that needs some work today. I think we might spend a little bit of time working on that one. See if we can get it going.
Okay, sounds good.
Yeah, but definitely, I already said this. I told them, you know, check out your channel. You're doing a lot of work.
Yeah.
But if not, here he is for real. So definitely check him out. All right, guys, we're coming out to do a little work on that car. Like I told you, obviously I got Kevin with me. I got Matt with me. You're instructing two people today, Matt. You're like two people learning. He's probably gonna be a better student. Yeah, your class is growing. Don't outdo me today, Kevin. No, I'm just kidding. You're fine. By the way, if I didn't say it, love the Tar Heel gear today.
Thank you.
Yeah. Kevin makes me so happy wearing that stuff.
So I've already put a negative cable in this thing, but I gotta put a positive cable in it. I'm gonna go ahead and pop the hood.
Oh, good. I like this. I can miss film maybe. Maybe Kevin do some work.
Perfect. I always wear gloves.
Okay.
If you want some gloves, you're more than welcome to grab a set.
No, I'm gonna grab a glove.
My hand.
Of course, I got to break my gloves. So.
Yeah, he likes to ruin my gloves. Now, always remember, like if you were and I've done this, and I know from experience, you probably see some metal removed from some of these wrenches for this. If you accidentally drop and you go across these two, big spark.
Oh yeah, I've seen that happen before.
Yeah.
That'll be good for you too, Kevin. Just go ahead and.
Is you take that jaw, and I'll stick it in there, and then kind of use it to pry it open. There you go, just like that. Pry it open just a little bit.
There you go.
You got more muscles in it. There you go. All right, now go ahead and take the other one off.
See, I brought the muscle out for you today, Matt. He's used to working with me, guys.
Have you used a drill before? Huh? You've used a drill before?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Well, we're not. Tiffany uses the drill at home. What can I say? You've seen her, guys. She's the tough one. What can I do? Bring up the drill again, Matt.
Hey, man. That's one of my favorite things, okay?
I know. He loves it. Kevin is killing it over here. Look at that.
Awesome, man.
All right, like that.
So that's going to be trash. You can just throw
There's
that
the
on
old cable.
For right now, we'll pick it up later. Let's go ahead and clean the terminal.
Definitely had some corrosion on here. This is kind of nice. Kevin and Matt do all the work. I just got to film. I dig this.
Take some dielectric grease. That much.
Okay.
Okay. So I'll take that. That's for one terminal, and then do it again on the other, and just get it all the way around. You want a good coating.
We just need one clip of you saying dielectric grease, and I'll just pop it in every video.
There you go.
It's multiple applications.
That was my mentor, Frankie Fats, that taught me that one.
Is that really your mentor's name?
Yeah, that's his nickname.
That's an awesome name to have, Frankie Fats.
It's a factory correct reproduction from Daniel Carpenter.
Yeah, FYI, they do sell these at FMR, in case you guys didn't know.
And see what's factory correct about them. You see how this comes out the side like that? All the aftermarkets, they go out the back.
Oh, yeah.
So just that one little angle, that's what makes it factory correct. Done a battery terminal service and a cable installation.
My first one.
Yeah. How was that?
Yeah, it was pretty good.
Yeah, I think you did a good job.
So Kevin, now that you have replaced the battery cable, tell us what your future plans are for this car.
Kevin, did you hear what she asked? She asked what your...
whoa. A bug just
What'd
went
you
in
say?
my eye.
Oh, no.
Oh,
A
no.
little tiny fly just flew right into my eyeball.
Oh, no.
So say that again. Sorry.
So now that you've replaced the battery cable on this car, what are your future plans for it?
Wait.
Matt and I have decided to give you this car as
For
your,
real?
as your
For
first
real.
Foxbody, for real.
It's your car.
Yes, dude.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Thank you guys so much. Wow, I was so confused at first, but now I get it.
Yeah,
Wow.
yeah.
Thank you guys a lot.
This whole thing was staged to give you this car, so yeah.
Oh, okay.
Surprise.
Yeah, thank you. It means a lot.
This is your first Foxbody.
Yeah,
Yeah.
thank you guys.
Yeah, you're welcome.
You've been wanting one for a while, right?
Yeah, so this really means a lot for me to be able to get my first Foxbody. Thank you guys a lot. It means-
Yeah.
You're
Wow.
welcome.
Oh, never thought
That-
I would get one like this.
Yes, you did.
Yeah, you've been working for it. So
Yeah,
you
Yeah,
knew
I
you
know
were
I've been
gonna
working,
get
but
one.
I knew I was gonna get one, but I didn't think I was gonna get it like this.
Yeah.
Yeah,
She does need a little bit of work. She's
Yeah, I
a
know.
project car, but it's a
Yeah.
great start.
yeah, I'll definitely get this fixed up.
All right. You heard it here, guys. He's definitely going to fix it up. We want to see that on the channel now,
Definitely
Kevin.
get fixed up.
Cool. Kevin just got a car. Woo!
Thank you guys a lot.
Yeah, you're welcome.
That's
I'm
awesome.
rubbing grease everywhere all over.
Were you wondering, like, why is everybody standing around?
I was so confused at first. I was like, what is she talking about? I mean, everything was like, wow. Yeah. Thank you guys a
So
lot.
cool.
Yeah, you're welcome.
First start in the convertible. You hear that?
Yeah.
That's yours, man.
Yeah. I'm so excited to have it now.
You can give it a little gas, right?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You can give a little bit more than that.
Yeah, there you go. Look at that smile.
Bring it up to 4. There you go.
Wow.
I think we're going to hear that on your channel a couple times.
Yeah.
right?
Definitely.
Welcome to the Vert Club, Kevin. You got a convertible like me.
Oh yeah.
Oh, he has to give out the keys. The keys are already in his pocket. You want to hold on to those keys, don't you, Kevin? I don't blame him. I don't
You can hop
blame
on
him.
the other side if you want, man.
Oh, here we go. Yeah. Kevin's going for his first ride. You look good, Kevin. That was Matt driving, not Kevin. He's got to give it gas so it doesn't stall. Car's inside now. We're gonna see if the convertible top works.
To open it,
Just push it down. Oh,
it's not working.
there you go.
So, yeah, so the power top doesn't work, but it sounds like that's an electrical issue, not a hydraulic issue. So we can figure that out. How's that sound?
Sounds pretty good.
Okay.
All right, this is turned into figure out the convertible top. Matt knows how to fix it all, guys. While they're figuring that out, they're gonna be doing all kinds of stuff on the car. I'm gonna check back in with Kevin one more time to get his final thoughts, and yeah, this is really exciting. You excited, Della?
Hell yeah.
Just a little update. Matt and Kevin are still working on the car over there, figuring out why the top won't go up. And I know you guys probably aren't gonna be surprised, but it sounds like it's the ignition switch, which of course always happens on these Fox bodies. They even replaced that on mine a long time ago. They're kind of notorious, right? So, but they're figuring out all the details. Kevin is learning about electronic wiring and everything. Anyway, Matt's helping him out, teaching him. And yeah, today I don't have to be the student as much, although I'm still trying to learn, but this is pretty cool. So let's see if they can get this top up.
You see?
Look at that, guys. It's moving.
Go the other way.
Kevin, you already fixed your top.
It's a little.
Is it going?
Yeah,
It feels like it's coming down.
It's probably low on fluid.
There we go. I helped it out a little. Whoop, there it goes. Little gear head assist.
Wow.
So you have a bad ignition switch.
Yeah, that ignition switch.
Yep.
So we're taking a little break here. I'm here with Kevin, and he saw me open up the Doritos, and he saw me open up the Coke. See,
Yeah.
it's real life, right? That's what I
Yeah.
do. See, I'm not faking you guys out on the channel. This is how it really is. Kevin can attest. Diet's not going well, by the way. Couldn't let this go out of here without a little bit of gearhead hands-on. The car is loaded up. Kevin, you're about to take your first Foxbody home.
Yes.
How you feeling?
Hey,
Excited?
I'm really happy that I'm able to go home with one.
Yeah. Awesome. Well, we're looking forward to seeing what you're going to do with it on the
I have
channel.
a lot of great content on my channel with this beautiful Mustang.
Okay, that's what I was going to ask you. I was going to ask you, do you know what you want to do to it yet?
I'm not sure yet. I had to look at it, and I'll let you guys know on my channel, which is Kevin Builds.
Okay.
Yep.
Yeah, guys, so like I mentioned, I'll have all the information down in the description below, but definitely, if you want to see more of this build, I know I do, want to see more of this Sparkle Fox. They want to know what new name, if you're going to come up with a new name.
I have to think about that.
Yep, think
I'll
about a
let you guys know
name.
on my channel too.
Cool.
Yeah.
So we'll look for all of that stuff. So check his channel out, guys, and give him a sub. And we're just really excited, Kevin.
Yeah, and a big thanks to FMR2 for giving me this Foxbody Mustang, and thank you to Gearhead for helping put everything together. So make sure you also subscribe to Gearhead 34 and check out FMR because they have some pretty cool, awesome stuff.
See, I don't even have to plug Fox Rest today. Kevin's doing it for him, so that's awesome. Really appreciate it. It was awesome to get to hang out today. As long as you avoid, you know, we don't want to see the car like bent or broken.
Yeah.
So be careful.
Yeah.
But and watch out for those bugs that fly in your eyes.
Yeah.
Cool. Well, go Hills, and thanks a lot, Kevin. This is really awesome. We'll be hanging out again soon.
Yeah.
Yep.
You got the keys in your pocket, right, bud?
Got the keys? He's not letting go of those keys, Matt. He's got those keys. Just like that, guys, Sparkle Fox is going to a new home. Pretty exciting, pretty fun day. Sending Fox bodies to better places, I guess. Good job today, Matt. That was fun, guys. All right, we sent another Fox body to another home.
Yeah, couldn't be happier.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a blast making it. It was a lot of fun. See how excited Kevin was, and just all of us getting to be a part of that. And yeah, we'll see what he does with the car. I know he's got big plans for it. I'm kind of speechless, guys. I'm just out of words. So if you did enjoy this video, please hit the like button. If you're stopping here for the first time, check out Kevin's channel, subscribe to him, and that's pretty much it. We'll see you next time on Gearhead 704. It's gonna be fun.
It's
awesome.
exciting. We're super excited.
Well, thank you guys for giving back to Kevin, and thank you for letting me be a part of it. I really
Yeah,
appreciate
thank you
that.
for filming. We're glad that you're here.
Yeah, well, I always need content.